Alright, you guys, so we're here at the second car. This is a big body SUV. I thought it was going to be a car, but we have an SUV, which means, you know, of course, more money because we're charging a lot more. But we also have this Ferrari that's in the shop here. So we're going to go ahead and try our best to knock this one out as fast as possible. And then we're going to go ahead and knock out the other car as well. So here's a look at the exterior. I'm going to get the rims nice and clean. Just needs a good wash. Go ahead and wax it and everything. Clean off these floor mats, of course. Give it a nice detail. Of course, they have kids, so probably gonna find some junk here and there. But for this one, we're just gonna start with the outside. Just gonna go ahead and wash it first. So I'll go ahead and remove all these floor mats out the car, spray them down with super clean, rinse them, put them back in the car. Alright, and then like I said, once we have the opportunity to, if we can, we'll go ahead and wash this one as well, and then get it ready for the client. I believe he's gonna sell it, so just need to get it ready for selling. And I'm assuming the interior is probably clean already, so there's not much to do inside there. So here we go. You guys, so we are all done with this Infiniti here. I think it's a QX60. This thing is murdered out, blacked out, man. You guys see, shine up the rims. I gotta get that trash out of there, that little juice. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready on the Ferrari, and then we have one more for the day. So we're at 2 done. Now this car took me a little longer because of course it's obviously bigger. So it's currently 2:38, and my next one's scheduled for 3. So I'm gonna call her, let her know I'm gonna be a little bit late. And yeah, I still see a few spots on the paint, so I'm gonna have to go back with my technician's choice. But overall, it looks good from a distance. Gotta rewipe it. Interior, it's looking nice and clean. Didn't do nothing crazy, no leather conditioning, nothing like that, just cleaning. Just a simple, basic detail and vacuum. So, yeah. Are you too? So we are ready for the Ferrari detail. I don't know how to explain what we're gonna do because it's just a regular detail. No matter how expensive the car is and how nice it looks, it's still gonna be the same process, same method. So probably need to put that, press the button inside or something. So yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful car for sure. Gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up for the client here. And the interior is not too bad, so I'll probably just wash it first because inside it just needs a vacuum. You guys can see this needs a vacuum in here. Carbon fiber. Yeah, this is nice though. Nice Ferrari here. All right, so let's go ahead and knock this out. All right, YouTube, so we are all done with the Ferrari detail. Now, we just washed it and spray waxed it with the Technician's Choice spray wax. So, or a ceramic coating thing. Only thing that I would say is this car is completely protected with PPF. So you guys can see that line right there. It has it all over the front bumper and the mirrors. So I would say I'll say like 80% is probably PPF, and it's probably also ceramic coated. This person was not playing no games. Of course, it's a Ferrari. Don't want to take any chances. So completely done with it now. I'm not gonna get any slow like B-rolls and stuff like that. If you want to see that, make sure you follow Mendez Auto Detail, and I'll be posting some fire content on this car. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it short, keep it sweet for YouTube. I like these style of videos where I could just, you know, keep it real, just show you guys, you know, and you still get the same aesthetics instead of me doing slow motion stuff, you know, whatever, you know. But I love this like combination with the logo and then the rim hitting right there. Woo, that's fire. Yes, sir. I don't know, this is kind of like an older person's car, I believe. So it's not something I'm like, damn, that's, you know, I love it, but I would definitely drive this thing if I had the opportunity to. This looks like some I saw in Miami, actually, but in red. So I'm gonna head and end the video here. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watched it this far, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Let's go.